Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Power off the laptop and disconnect any power adapters before starting work. Remove the battery if it is removable and store it safely nearby. Ground yourself with an ESD strap to prevent static damage to components. Clear a well-lit workspace and place a soft cloth to protect the case finish. Gather tools now: a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, small tweezers, and a container for screws. Open the laptop to about 90 degrees and inspect the bezel for rubber covers. Remove any rubber screw covers and then remove the bezel screws using a Phillips #0 screwdriver. Use a plastic spudger to pry the bezel edges away from the screen frame slowly and evenly. Work along each side to avoid cracking the plastic. When the bezel lifts, disconnect the webcam and ambient light sensor cables carefully using tweezers. Locate the touchscreen digitizer cable near the hinge or display board and note its routing. Gently lift the retention flap on the ZIF connector and slide the cable out straight without bending it. Remove any mounting screws holding the touchscreen glass or metal bracket using the Phillips #0 screwdriver. Lift the touchscreen glass away from the frame and place it face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.